All right, what's going on, guys? Today I'm just working on the HydroPOD. This is the next model of the hydro gardens that I'm making. It's a 5 by 10 garden that will eventually be a 20 by 10, but the whole point is to be able to fit a grow tray in there and grow microgreens. So how I have the design is that there's the hole that'll hold the water and all the electronics, and then the light that'll hold the just slides on and off like that. That'll hold the lights and the windows. So what I'm doing right now, it's a shame since it's such a small design format. So basically this is where the humidifier is, and then there's going to be a grate on this part that holds the grow medium, and then the roots will be able to grow down into the water. And I have to unfortunately design sections that stick up. Ideally, in the bigger one, you won't be able to see any of this. It'll just look like this, and the components will be hidden away in such a way that makes it look good. I'm just going to make this look cleaner. That's the whole goal.
What is wrong with letting people be happy?
This is probably gonna change a few times, so I shouldn't spend a ridiculous amount of time on it. Just something like that. So that's gonna go there. I need to make the opening, and then the pump's gonna go here. All right, well, this is kind of a basic prototype design. I'm gonna wait for the PCB board to come in to do anything else but that, and then I need to make connections from here to the lights. I need to design the lights. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the next design. It's just a long process of designing, iterating, and designing and iterating and testing and that whole thing. So please like and subscribe and follow my channel, because I am trying to build a line of products, 3 products from the ground up. So I have the HydroCube, the HydroPOD, and then one other thing. Peace. See you in the next video.